It's 40 degrees below zero. A Weddell seal. She can survive because she can dive below the ice. Here she is protected from the storms above, and here too she can find food. But she is a mammal, and she has to breathe air, not only for her, but now for her newborn pup. A blizzard blows in, and with it storm-force winds. It could last for a week. Being mammals, seals can generate heat within their bodies, and their fur, with a thick layer of fat beneath it, prevents most of that heat from escaping, even in cold conditions like this. She has worked hard throughout the winter to prevent her breathing hole in the ice from freezing over. Her pup needs to join her under the ice as soon as he can swim properly. She encourages him to take his first plunge, but hardly surprisingly, he's not keen. Now, guided by his mother, he has to learn how to hunt underwater and to find his way back through the maze to his hole in the ice. A warm body, fur, milk, and maternal care are essential for the Weddell seal's survival in this freezing environment.